And in today's video, I'll make a short explanation how to add an SSD to your PS5. Number one, remove this. And also, you need a screwdriver to remove this as well, the shield. Then you need to remove the screw, which I will show. As long as you don't strap it, and if you're careful enough, then yeah, it'll work. But also you need this as well to hold your Gen 4 SSD, or if you have a Gen 3, if you know how to do this workaround thing, because I've seen people doing it on the internet, like bring studios. And then you need to make sure to be careful with your SSD, which you got, right? And afterwards, you put onto the drive, right? Way up. And then afterwards, once you put it up, yeah, I wasn't able to, so I had to use like one hand to record and the other hand to. Should be tight enough, so don't make it tight too much. So yeah, afterwards, then pretty much after you actually did it, which you have to record in one hand. So make sure it's tight enough, but don't tighten up too much. Then you need to put your shell onto this right over here, right? Then you put your screwdriver where it belongs to. Okay, seems tight enough. Alright. You put this where it belongs to. If you can see. And your AC adapter. Seems tight enough. After you turn it on, and when the console just boots up, when your console boots up, then it's just changing something right now. To format the SSD, then it will just take some time to format. Yep. And then after that, you get to your free space, right? Which this will show your SSD right over here. And I think that's it. Hopefully this can help you, and also goodbye.